Get ready for the dictation. Start. Now, sir, I come for a short while to the housing which is undertaken directly by my ministry. A reference has been made to Delhi. A reference has been made to the fortunate conditions under which government servants have to live, and the last speaker very rightly remarked that the rents in Delhi are on a very high side. I have to accept all those premises since I took charge of this ministry. It is nearly a year now. I fully examined the problem from all its aspects. I find, sir, that previously we have been more concerned with paying house rent allowances to our government servants. We have been taking property on lease. We have been requisitioning properties, sometimes paying very heavy rents and at the same time maintaining those properties which belonged to other people. If all the money that has been paid as rent or as house rent allowances had been diverted to the construction of houses, I am sure that the housing difficulties in Delhi and other parts of the country like Madras, Bombay, and Calcutta would not have been so acute. It is a fact that the government servant who has a house has a different outlook. He works in a different way, but nearly 66% of the government servants in Delhi have to take houses on high rents, have to pay very heavy rents, and sometimes they have to live very far away from Delhi. During this year, we have sanctioned housing schemes to the tune of rupees 15 crores. In the last 5 years of this ministry, schemes were sanctioned only to the extent of rupees 7 crores. I am not casting any aspirations. What I am trying to say is this, that I have doubled the program of housing within 1 year as compared to what was done during the last 5 years. I hope that we should be able within the next few years to give a certain amount of satisfaction to the government servants who have to work under very difficult conditions in Delhi. It is not a very happy position in which I am when I am told by the government servants who come to see me that every minister has a house, every member of parliament more or less has been provided with some sort of accommodation. Members of the Planning Commission, judges of the Supreme Court, senior officers, every one of them has a house, and that too very near to the place of work. But as far as the poor government servants are concerned, most of them have no accommodation. Stop.